Phase 1, Discovery Vehicle.
Look at this. The dimensions match the manifest exactly. It's massive.
I can't believe it. 80 years down there.
It's incredible. The sheer scale of the Western Star is overwhelming down here. The corrosion on the cab is extensive.
That was incredible. You did it, Sarah. Great work.
Look at the corrosion pattern here. It's definitely the 46 Western Star.
Agreed. The structural beams look stable enough for the lift.
If you'd like to become part of our restoration family, be sure to subscribe.
Okay, the sonar confirms the coordinates. 41 degrees, 43.5 minutes north, 49, 56.8 west. That's our target.
The target is directly below us at 40 meters. Corrosion is extensive, so we need to prioritize securing the main lift points with the acoustic releases. Hey team, focus here. The primary lifting chains attach precisely at these marked frame points on the 6900 XD.
All right, team, let's get those chains secured.
Copy that.
Phase 2,
Moving the starboard
Inspection.
line into position now. All right, prioritize the structural integrity points highlighted here on the diagram. I need detailed video of the corrosion around the cab roof and exhaust stacks.
Barge, this is Sarah. The structural integrity of the chassis seems compromised near the rear axle. Extensive corrosion confirmed. Do you copy?
What is that growth pattern right there?
That's unique biofouling specific to this depth. It confirms the identity. We've identified the structural lift points here and here. The Western Star needs to be lifted intact.
All right, lower away. Watch the tension.
Holding steady. Confirmed.
Confirming rigging points 2 and 3 are secure. Ready for tension.
Copy that, Sarah. Tensioning now. Holding steady at 25 tons. We are green across the board.
Phase 3, Recovery Operation.
Okay, easy. 5 centimeters down.
Copy that. Coming down slow. Watch the left wheel.
Looks good. Set it. tension the forward straps now.
Right, securing the ratchet.
Confirm locked. Move to the rear.
Dockyard, this is Sarah. Prepare the heavy load trailer for the Western Star 6900 XD. We need that truck moved as soon as it arrives. Confirm readiness.
Okay, easy swing to the right, keep it steady. All right, hold it there. Begin lowering the load slowly.
We're still on schedule. Tell the team we should be pulling in with the Western Star in about 30 minutes.
As you can see, the corrosion has completely compromised the integrity of the frame rail here. We'll have to replace this entire section. Now that we have the truck frame here,
Phase
the
4,
full restoration work can
process.
finally begin. We're starting with the chassis.
"80 years underwater means every panel is compromised. This new steel has to align perfectly if we want the structural integrity to hold." Laying these fresh gaskets requires absolute precision if this engine block is going to hold compression after 80 years underwater. We use this precision honing tool to create the perfect crosshatch pattern, which is essential for the piston rings to seat properly.
Alternator passed all parameters. Excellent. Market verified.
After months of work, the final clear coat brings the Western Star cabin back to life. A truly satisfying finish.
Yes, she actually runs.
The test run was a resounding success, proving that 80 years underwater couldn't silence this legend.